Welcome to How to Draw a Symbol. Today we're going to learn how to draw some fire. Let's start off by drawing a teardrop-shaped fire. Begin by drawing a short curved line that goes up at an angle. Then, draw a line that swoops down and back up like this. Repeat this step again with varying sizes and angles until you get to the tip. From there, go back down with a similar swoops until you get to the bottom. Inside, draw a smaller version following the same steps as before. Remember, your drawing doesn't have to match exactly. In fact, fire looks much more natural when it's varied and different. For this next drawing, let's draw some flames like the ground is on fire. This one will look more like a mountain shape instead of a teardrop. First, draw a gentle S-shaped line like this, followed by some more quick swoops like in the first fire. Once you get to the top, come back down the other side like so. Then, draw a smaller version inside, following the same steps as before. And now you've got some fire.